Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name's Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today we are going to take a look at Polygon MATIC on the charts and we are going to see where it might be headed in the long term. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, if you're interested in trading on the same exchange that I've been using for the last 3 years, feel free to go ahead and check out MEXC with the link in the video description down below this video. I personally love this exchange for two big reasons. The first one, as many of you guys know, I'm a huge altcoin nerd and they have over 1,500 different altcoins for me to trade at any given time. And in addition to that, they have some of the cheapest trading fees in the entire industry right now at just 0.01% taker fees, which is very, very nice because you simply just get to keep more of your profits when you make profits. So that's very nice to see. So as far as what we are looking at here for Polygon MATIC, here is what I am currently seeing, all right, with the way that I trade anyway. All right, so as many of you guys know, I am more of a longer term swing type trader rather than a day trader. So I'm typically always looking at the daily charts and the 4-hour chart and the weekly charts and stuff like that. All right. So as far as current market sentiment is going, at the time of me filming this video right now, Bitcoin currently has, roughly around 52% dominance. So realistically right now, things are pretty topped off at the time of me filming this video right now. And as you can see it on the RSI as well. So I personally believe and think that we might start to cool off and start dropping down. I think we might end up start dropping, and if we do, I can fully see us dropping down to this layer of support right in here, this local layer of support right here, but realistically I can see us staying within this range right here. Current major support is right around 49 cents. As you guys can see here, we hit that down here, and the major resistance is right around 89 cents, which is what we ended up topping out at on July 13th of this year, or of 2023. Well, I guess it still is 2023, so I don't know what I'm talking about. But here's what I see happening, all right? I can fully realistically see us, dropping back down to this layer right in here, right there, and which will be nice because it will realistically set the RSI back down to where it needs to be, hopefully in the oversold area. And once we hit the oversold area, I have a feeling we'll end up bouncing back upwards, especially if market sentiment continues to be, more on the bullish side. And if we do, I can fully expect that, we could end up breaking past this resistance level right here and potentially breaking into this new range right in here to where our next resistance would be around 97 cents, which isn't a very, very big range. And I don't see us being in these smaller ranges for very long. So realistically, if we end up breaking, if things are super bullish, I could see us breaking right through these two ranges right here and going straight for, the $1.19 area. All right. Now, as far as a bearish scenario is concerned, I do not see this happening, but it's always a possibility, so I do have to go through it and I do have to talk about it. So realistically, if if we do end up having a bearish scenario and Bitcoin were to just completely nuke, I mean, there's some people out there who actually think Bitcoin's going to go down to like $10,000 or something. I don't see that happening. I just don't see it happening whatsoever. I mean, it could happen, but realistically, I don't see it happening. If it does, typically most of these altcoins are going to end up dropping as well. And if it does, if we ended up breaking this support level here at 49 cents, we could end up dropping back into this range down here between 49 cents and 31 cents because we hit 31 cents way back here in June of 2022. So it definitely is a possibility. It's just I don't think it's very likely to happen in all reality. I think a more probable scenario would be us continuing to move higher and higher and higher, especially considering what I'm seeing here is, now I know there's a lot of people out there who don't really follow, trending patterns or anything like that, or chart patterns or anything, whatever, but I do, and I like to follow various chart patterns, and a lot of them end up playing out. So in a bullish scenario here, I mean, we've got kind of a cup and handle type thing forming. If we end up dropping down to this layer of support right here, I could see us dropping and forming that handle all the way down to that area and then shooting upwards. And that's exactly what I see happening here, you guys. All right. Now, I could be wrong. I mean, obviously, as you guys know, I'm not a magician. I'm just your average Joe Schmo from the coffee shop. But realistically, we do have that playing out on the daily, and it could end up happening. And I do see, if things continue to be as bullish as they have been, I do see us continuing to higher and higher and higher levels. But these are the levels it's going to take ultimately to reach those heights, you guys. All right. Now, as far as reaching a new all-time high, here's the thing. All right, let's go ahead and check this out. Its current all-time high is, let's see here, $2.92. Now, realistically, what I'm seeing here and what I've noticed about, different coins in the past and different ecosystem coins in the past, here's the thing. Polygon is a very, very, very popular and very widely used ecosystem, all right? And what I'm seeing here is, we, before the 2021 bull run, we were pretty much bottomed out way, way down here, okay? You can clearly see that on the chart here, all right? Now, in this new bear market, we didn't reach this same low that it was before the 2021 bull market. That's a very good thing, because realistically, a lot of the times, the coins that don't drop back that far, the coins that end up dropping back, far, but not as far as they did before, they typically are the types of coins that end up, going higher than they did in their previous bull market. So realistically, I personally feel like this coin is going to end up, I personally feel like MATIC is going to end up making a higher all-time high than the previous bull run for that specific reason alone, all right? So keep that in mind as well. There's a lot of different things that are at play here, especially when you look at the charts and when you look at the different statistics from past bull runs and stuff like that, and nobody knows for sure exactly what's going to happen. This is just my personal take and my personal opinion, you guys. Now, if any of you guys have any questions about anything that I mentioned in this video whatsoever, or anything that's related to altcoins or trading in general or anything, feel free to go ahead and reach out to me in my free community Discord server, which you can find a link to in the description below this video as well. Other than that, you guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this video, so I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But before you guys leave, if you haven't already and if you would like to, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey guys, with that said, thanks again for watching.